Hello again, Cara with the Roaming Round Trees. I am back to tell you a few more packing secrets that we have found along the way. Thank you for watching the packing video before, and in that video I promised that I would show you some of my cosmetic bag tips and tricks here. So of course the goal is to downsize that bag as much as possible. So I actually have a small makeup bag. It's pretty tiny, it's not that big. So you find one that you have. Even if you start with a quart size zip top bag, that'll work just fine. And in that kit I have just a few things, not many, but a lot of them are very skinny and they kind of all work together here. So I do put my makeup remover wipes. I get little tiny things like this. I love it when I can find the flat ones. So I could not find the flat ones this last time, so I had to get these. But they're small and compact. The flat ones are usually about a good square size, but they slip in much easier. I also have 2 lip liners. I don't use like lipstick. I don't carry several different colors of lipstick. I bring 2 skinny lip liners and then put lip gloss or chapstick style product. I'm throwing things around now. Then I use those 2 things over the top if I'm trying to go for something more. Have some perfume. Every woman needs a little bit of good smelling scents. So find one in a tube, skinny tube like that, and you'll be good to go because it'll go anywhere. I also have my brow products, a tamer as well as the actual brow tint. 1 mascara. I've got 2 brushes. I'm saving the best things for last that I want to tell you about. So 2 brushes, that's all I bring. So if you bring a lot of extra brushes, ask yourself for travel, do you really need those brushes? Can you get away with just doing 2? This is a double-sided one. We've got the contouring eyeshadow, and then kind of in the crease, more the dramatic look. Then we've got the brush, the big brush for powder, but you can also use this for your contour, your blush, all kinds of things. So I urge you to look into reducing your brushes. These 2 products I use for my foundation. Now what's cool about these, so this is a lighter one, and this is a little bit darker. This is my natural shade everywhere else, and this is the little highlighter bit. If I was into contouring, I'd probably get a 3rd one, darker one, and use it for contouring. Cool thing about these, let me show you. They have brushes, or sponges. They have sponges already on the tips. So this helps me save space because I don't have to bring a sponge. I don't have to figure out how to, if there's a wet sponge and still dirty, what do I do with it? I have to bring another bag, blah, blah, blah. So this is fantastic for keeping that small. And if you don't contour or highlight, you get to just use one. It's really cool. So check those out. And one of the best finds, that I made about a year ago or so was a company called Subtle Beauty. And they have a stackable product. I'm hoping you're gonna see this, but they have a stackable with everything that I need in it, from a little bit of lip and cheek, a bronzer, 2 eyeshadows. I'll just show you one to make it quicker video here. And then they also have a shine control powder. Now, one of the things, and I have sent an email into Subtle Beauty, hopefully they'll pick up on this and do something, but they were lacking a mirror in their lid. A mirror would be fantastic, especially maybe even a little bit light zoom mirror so that you can, really see what you're doing. But I just took real quick a reflective or the mirrored version of contact paper, cut a circle, stuck it in there, it works great. And that's pretty much it for my makeup. I don't bring anything else. If I can't do it there, I don't really need to do it, I guess. And it works out really wonderful for me. So I urge you to, test yourself. See how small you can get your makeup kit. And give it a try on your next cruise or resort trip or whatever, and see how it goes. I will post links to these, so in the description Use the links if you want. Don't use them, it doesn't matter, but just make it easier for yourself to find them. Now, if by chance you have any questions about what I just talked about, or you have suggestions for us about how we're doing things, or better yet, you have any ideas for upcoming videos, things that you've just questioned or you want to know, please put them in the comments. We want to hear from you. We love hearing from you, and we do make changes and listen to what you guys have to say. Thank you for watching. We hope you are enjoying following our journeys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss a single one, and happy travels.